வணக்கம். I am Dr. A. Sundararajan. I am your Tamil language instructor. I hope you are doing well and have spent some time for practicing the Tamil script which we discussed in the last classes. Today we are going to learn the third group of Tamil letters. Before introducing the letter of the third group, let us recap the letter of first and the second group, namely Ta, Pa, Ma, Ya, Ra, A, A, I, Ra, Sa, Ka, Ta, Na, Nga. In this lesson, we are going to introduce 5 letters, 2 vowels and 3 consonants. Vowels are A, consonants are Nya, La, Ba. First, we will see the vowels. The first letter is short vowel A. Please listen to the pronunciation of the letter carefully. A. The letter is written by drawing a small circle in the bottom of the line and draws a horizontal line from left to right. Then draw a vertical line from top to bottom. A. This letter is called front unrounded vowel. To pronounce the sound, tongue is placed towards the front of the mouth at a middle height and the lip will be lowered. Look at the secondary symbol of the letter which is displayed on the screen. This symbol is placed before the primary consonant. For example, K, Se, Te. Now let us see some of the examples in which the letter A is used. Edam means place. Eli means rat. HM means incomplete. Ketta means bad. Echarike means warning. Next is long vowel A. This letter is derived from the short vowel A by adding an additional angular stroke is displayed on the screen. A. Please listen to the pronunciation of the letter carefully. A. This letter is also called front unrounded vowel. It has duration of 2 units of time. Look at the second symbol of the letter A, which is displayed on the screen. This symbol is placed before the primary consonant. For example, K, Nye, Se, Nye, Te, Ne, Te. Now let us see some of the examples in which the letter A is used. Eni means ladder. Ede means poor. Yen means why. Tedi means date. Mede means stage. Ter means chariot. Now let us look at the consonants. The first consonant is Nya. This letter is derived from the letter A by adding semicircle as shown in the display. Nya. This letter consists of the vowel and pure consonant that is called Inj. Inj plus A, Nya. For pure consonant, a dot is placed above the letter Nya as displayed on the screen. The letter Nya is called palatal nasal. To pronounce the sound, the middle of the tongue is placed against the hard palate and at the same time air is released through nasal cavity. Now let us see some of the example in which the letter Nya is used. Manjal, turmeric or yellow color. Inji, ginger. Next letter is La. This letter is written by a small clockwise circle in the bottom of the line and creates a small arc and continues the stroke towards the base line. Then draw another arc in anti-clockwise direction as shown on the screen. La. This letter carries vowel A and pure consonant Il. Il plus A, La. A dot is placed above the letter for pure consonant. The letter La is called alveolar lateral sound. To pronounce this letter, tongue touches the ridge of the palate just behind the upper teeth and then air is released from both sides. Now let us see some of the examples in which the letter La is used. Lacham, lakh, lachiyam, goal, labam, profit. Last consonant of this lesson is Ba. This letter is written by a small clockwise circle in the bottom of the line and extends half curve towards the base line and draws a horizontal line from left to right and then draw a vertical line from bottom to top as shown on the screen. Ba. This letter also consists of the combination of vowel A and pure consonant U. U plus A, Ba. U plus A, Ba. A dot is placed above the letter for pure consonant. The letter Ba is called labial approximant. The upper teeth is slightly placed in the lower lip and the air is released to pronounce this letter. Now let us see some of the examples in which the letter Ba is used. Vattam, circle. Bali, way or path. Vetri, victory. Hope you have understood all the 5 letters introduced in this lesson. Mastering the script is the key foundation of learning a language. Hence, you are advised to practice the script always. Besides, you are advised to know, aware and practice the accurate pronunciation of the sound with respect to the script. Also, know how to meaningful words by using the introduced script. If you encounter any problem or doubt with reference to learning and mastering the Tamil script, you can address the same in the feedback submission option. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.